Law firms want AI speed without risking client data. Here's how to do both. Free tools can train on your prompts and files, creating exposure and shadow AI. That's a real confidentiality risk. Hatz AI, top LLMs on a secure SOC 2 Type 2 platform. No training on your data. Isolated tenants, access controls, standardized firm-wide. Stop one-off personal AI accounts. Get consistency, control, and better outcomes. Crawl, walk, run. Secure chat, workflows, agents. Always keep a human in the loop. Use cases: legal research with citations, HR knowledge from your policies, code-backed Excel analysis, and document assembly that preserves templates. Governance: block-free AI, secure access for all, requires citations and review, share workflows. Miss the webinar? Get the recap and a free month to try Hatz AI securely. Impress. Computers and Hatz AI can help you map your first workflows.